If you're planning to do solo living this 2026, here are 20 essentials you need to check in choosing your own place. Hey guys, Raven here, and I've been living alone in Manila for 10 years and I've been to 15 different apartments. And here are 20 things I always check before renting a place. Number 1, space and layout. Kasya ba lahat ng gamit ko at comfortable ba siyang tirhan? Number 2, bedroom size. Kasya ba yung bed ko if I have one? Kasya ba yung cabinet ko at essentials ko? Number 3, kitchen setup. May space ba siya for lutuan, ref, at storage? Hindi lang mga pang-display. Number 4, bathroom condition. Malinis ba? Maayos ba yung drainage? At may ventilation bang maayos? Number 5, of course, laundry area. Kasya ba yung washing machine ko at kaya bang makapagsampay? Next is storage. May cabinets ba or shelves para hindi makalat at ma-organize ko lahat ng gamit ko? Number 7 is power outlets. Sapat ba yung mga saksakan at gumagana ba lahat? Next is electricity setup. Meron ba siyang sariling meter? At safe ba yung mga wirings? Next, water supply. Malakas ba yung pressure if nasa 3rd or 4th floor ako? Malinis ba yung water? At meron ba siyang sariling meter? Number 10, cooking options. Pwede bang mag-gas stove at safe pa gamitin or it's not allowed? So you have to check that. Number 11, internet and reception or signal. Malakas ba yung data? If ever mawalan ako ng internet, kaya ko bang makapag-work using my internet? Because I'm working from home. So you also have to check that. Ano yung mga internet provider na pwede or options nyo na available? Number 12, ventilation at natural light. Since I'm vlogging and it's very important sa akin na merong maayos at magandang ventilation, meron bang bintana, magandang hangin at sapat na liwanag. Number 13, security. Matibay ba yung pinto? May lock? May CCTV or guard sa area? You have to check that. Number 14, cleanliness at pests. Wala bang ipis or mga daga? Ayaw natin ng surprise roommates, definitely guys. Number 15, noise level. Tahimik ba o maingay yung paligid? You also have to check that. Number 16, flood-free ba yung area? Hindi ba siya binabaha lalo pag malakas yung ulan or may bagyo? Next, accessibility. Malapit ba ito sa mga sakayan? Hindi ka ba mahihirapan if in case na kailangan mo mag-commute? Ano yung malapit na grocery at mga essentials na pwede mong pagbilhan? Meron bang mga stores na gano'n na malapit? Next is parking at delivery access. If you have a car, it's important na meron, of course, parking or malapit na pwede mong pagrentahan. Kasama na dyan delivery options. Madali bang makapasok yung mga delivery riders? So you also have to confirm that if mahilig kang magpa-deliver. Next is rent at terms. Clear ba yung mga bayad, yung move-in costs at meron bang contract? And last, lifestyle fit. Safe ba, comfortable at peaceful ba siyang tirhan? And pasok ba siya sa lifestyle mo? So ito yung 20 guys na essentials na you have to check before you sign that contract, before ka mag-move in. Remember, ang magandang inuupahan, hindi lang mura dapat swak sa lifestyle mo. Kung check naman halos lahat, then ready ka na mag-move in. Yun lang. Good luck!